Hey, I'm really excited to talk about a new product from Berkley. Straight out of the Berkley labs is the new GinClear fluorocarbon. Now this isn't like just any old fluorocarbon that we're used to. This fluorocarbon has got an awesome formula that comes straight out of Spirit Lake, but it's then sent off to be level wound. Now, the big deal with the level wind process is that creates a super smooth, manageable, thinner diameter fluorocarbon that is extremely consistent as far as line diameter, and where that's a really big deal for not only handling on a bait cast or a spinning reel. What I really appreciate about it is its manageability and consistency for knot tying. Whether it's cinching down the knot onto your favorite bait, which knot placement is a really big deal. So getting that consistency, that nice smooth line to clinch down on the bait is a big deal. So again, that level wind process in the GinClear product has not only brought us better manageability, but it's made it stronger and tougher, which is a really big deal in the walleye world.